Morning all, I'm just doing a quick video to show you how to use the Kobo toolbox in order to collect the forms for the pre-test, post-test and feedback form for the trainings. So I've sent you this document here. If you go, for example, and get one of the HTTPS links and then you open up the browser. So what you would get the students to do is you would get them to open up the internet on their phone and then put in this link. So they're going to have to manually type it in. You might want to put it, for example, on a PowerPoint presentation that's already up so people can see it quite clearly. Pop it in and press enter. So then it automatically populates. Now I'm also going to show you, if this is another option, if you have your computers and you put it on your computers beforehand, or your own phones beforehand, it actually also works without internet. So here I'm going to disconnect to show you how that would work. Okay, so anything that has this star here means it's mandatory, and the form won't be submitted unless it's completed. So here I'm going to put in, actually I'm just going to put in anything. We've got a little notice here just for the students. And then we've got each question here. Some of them are multiple choice, so that will be select all that apply. Some of them, and we'll see later on, is only single choice. They can only select one. So here I'll put something else in. A couple of multiple choice here. Okay, so this is a select one. You can see because these are also circles, so you know it's a select one. Let's select a couple here. Right, here again, you've got this one, it needs to be the appropriate number against the question. So I'm just doing these randomly. Again, each one of these are going to have to be filled in, otherwise the form won't be submitted. This is their confidence level, this one here. So again, I'm just going to put in number 2s. For all of these, the person's not very confident. Blah, blah, blah. And then down here, any suggestions? They should not, I repeat, press save as draft. They should just click submit straight away. Okay, now this is an example of when it's offline and it just said record queued for submission. I actually did one before, so now there's 2. What you would do afterwards is you would click that, put the internet back on. When you're back in your hotel or wherever you're staying, you've got access to internet. Yep, that's connected. Oops, hello. And then we go back to here and we go upload. Well, in theory, you go upload. What's that going to do? Oh, I think I've got to. There we go. Now there's no records queued. That means they've all been uploaded. Again, you see here it's a 0. Now I'll quickly show you, for example, if I didn't fill in any of these, or let's say there's one that hasn't been filled in, and I press submit, it's going to basically say this field is required to all of them. Okay, so that would be the response that they get. Quick interest for you, well, if it's of interest to you, if we go to the back end here, yeah, this is a post-test. Yeah, so here I've got, this is what I will see on my back end straight away. So I see the submissions, I see when they were submitted. Okay. So there's 2 that's been submitted. And then the data. I'll get all the results here, etc. So it populates really quickly. This report isn't always that useful, to be honest. So I usually take the information off as Excel. You can download it as Excel, and then we make our own charts and graphs, etc. But that's how the information, it literally comes to us automatically once it's uploaded.